In this video, I'll show you how to install Julia programming language. So in Google, if you type Julia lang, this first link will appear, Julia programming language. Before going to install Julia language, you can go through the link why we created Julia by its founders. So in this link, they explained in detail why they have created a new language. You can go through this and learn what is different in Julia when compared to other programming languages. I suggest you to read this link before going to install Julia and understand the importance of this new programming language. So if you type Julia lang in Google, the links will appear. Click on the first link, Julia programming language, and go to the download page. The current stable release is version 1.5.2. I'm going to install it in Ubuntu 20.04 focal fossa. Anyway, the version is not a big thing. It is in Ubuntu or it is in Linux. So my architecture is x86-64. I will go for this by clicking. Instead of doing that, I found a link for a website where it mentions how to install Julia on Ubuntu. The link is this Ferrolho's blog. So the introduction, installation procedure, first we have to go to the download folder, then we have to enter this command wget and pasting this link. Make sure you are entering this correct stable version. If it is 5.3 or 5.4, you have to make the necessary changes in that. So I have already completed this command. If I type Julia, if it is not installed, then it will comes like this. You can install Julia by either snap or apt. The suggestions will come. Instead of going with snap or apt, we can install the current stable release by following this command, how to install Julia on Ubuntu. So I have already completed these first 3 steps. That not a 3 step, first 2 steps, that is go to the download folder, then entering this command wget command. I have entered and downloaded the Julia package. Then the next step is to extract the Julia compressed folder. So I have to copy this command tar -xvf. This command I have to copy and I have to paste it here. Then press enter. So it will extract the folder. Then we have to copy the extracted folder to the opt folder in Ubuntu. So we are copying the current extracted folder 1.5.2, which is in the downloaded folder, to the opt folder. Enter your password. So I have copied to the opt folder. The next thing is create a symbolic link to the user local bin Julia. Before going to this command, if I type Julia, nothing will happen. But if I copy this command and enter it into the command terminal, and again if I type Julia, then you can see the magic. Julia is installed and you are good to go. So this is the basic steps, and I think it is very easy to follow these steps. And thank you for uploading this installation procedure. How to quit from this Julia shell or REPL, just exit. Okay, this is the installation procedure. For again I will show you how to just type hello world, you can print ln hello world, or you can simply print hello world. The difference is println will print it in a new line, while print just print to the next space. It will not check for a new line. So that's the difference. In the next video I'll show you how to install packages. Okay, thank you for watching.